Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to DIY Sewing with Simplyola. Today I'll be showing you how to sew this kimono in less than 10 minutes without wasting much of your time. Let's get into it. Here I'm just showing you the materials you're going to need. I used 2.5 meters of this materials. You can use 3 or 4, even 5 depending on how long and wide you want it to be. Then I went ahead to fold my materials into 2. I folded it into 2, then I folded it into another 2. So at the end of the day, you will have 4 folds. That means the top closed and the bottom open. There I'm just measuring the length of the fabrics just to make sure how long it is and how long it's gonna be. Then I went ahead to measure the armhole. For you to know how wide your kimono should be, you should measure the bigger part of your body, which is your hip, and add 4 inches or 5 or 6, depend how wide you want it to be. Then make sure your materials have enough space to accommodate that length. That is your hip added with another 4 or 5 or 6 inches depending on how wide you want it to be. Then to get your armhole, measure your arm round and divide it by 2 and add another 1 or half an inch to it. There I've already measured that and I cut it out. And for the neck, I just went ahead to measure 1 by 3, sorry. I measured 1 down, then 3 up, and I just cut it open. Then what I was doing there, after doing the cutting, I open it wide and I find the middle points and I make sure I remove the back side of the clothes out of the way and I just open the front. That is, I just cut the front, not the two together. You just cut the front. Then I went ahead to measure 7 down from the neck, 7 inches down from the neck, 2 inches up and 7 inches down from the neck. That one is just to give me that opening from the front. This is optional. You can leave it straight like that, but it's always good to have that opening in the front. So 2 inches up, 7 inches down. Then I went ahead to fold it just to make sure I know where I'm starting from. And I just cut it out. The length is optional actually. You can actually make it longer or shorter. In this case, mine is just a little bit above my knee because that's the material I have, and I don't want to make it too long for this style. So it's always good to have your kimono longer and you can have it shorter either. So there I just measure another 2 inches because I want it to open in front. So I went ahead to open the front by cutting out another 2 inches from both sides. So that gave me that opening because this one I'm gonna wear a free dress underneath it. And I just went ahead to fold it. The sleeve, just fold half an inch in and sew it, and that's it. I join the sleeve down from the beginning of the sleeve down to the side of the materials, and there I'm just doing the second sleeve, folded half an inch in and sew it. Remember, when you are sewing, you sew the inside, not the outside. That is the back side of the cloth. You do your folding into the back side of the cloth, not to the outside of the cloth. Just in case you're a beginner. And that's the finished look of this kimono. You can achieve this in less than 10 minutes, even if you don't have any experience at all. And that is it. You can style this with anything: jeans, top, black trouser, black jeans, white top, whatever color that you like. It doesn't have to be like a straight inner. It can be trouser and black top, trouser and white top, jeans and white top, jeans and pink top, however you like it. And that's your kimono achieved in less than 10 minutes. Anybody can sew this. Very easy, straightforward, just 4 steps and your kimono is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to this channel. Looking forward to see you in my next video. Love you all, and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you, and bye for now.